At some point, a lot of us have thought of a way to improve the way we live. Maybe you're the mechanical engineering student that wants to reduce fossil fuel use and see more electric cars on the roads. Or maybe you're the head of a startup that wants to advance the way diseases are diagnosed. What if you could bring those dreams to life? For manufacturers, this is an everyday job. It's all about making things with your mind and then making them with machines. We're all working together to advance solutions to address challenges in areas like technology, medicine, food, and society. Manufacturers collaborate with designers, engineers, product developers, scientists, researchers, medical professionals, and innovators to help make their ideas come to life. These ideas can make anything real, from day-to-day products to complex medical devices. So, what do manufacturers do to make dreams a reality? Every great idea starts with a prototype, and those come with humble beginnings. Manufacturers provide engineering and low-volume manufacturing. Low volumes are for people who are just getting started, testing for functionality, or looking to eventually create better, more optimized designs down the line.
We had a client that needed to produce a well plate to hold human cells and facilitate tissue growth. When they first came to us, they needed lower quantities for their initial testing, so low-volume manufacturing was perfect for them. Eventually, they want to scale up and take their project to the next level, but for now, low volume helps them meet their initial testing goals.
When developers are ready to help millions of people, whether that's domestically or across the world, they might need higher volumes of their product. Manufacturers can support these goals with high cavitation molds. It's all about making things faster and cheaper, while still producing high-quality parts to impact even more people.
So we have many high cavitation molds that we utilize on lateral flow devices. These devices are used to test for COVID or HIV. With these tests, as you'd imagine, you have to make them in high volumes, and we supply not only the US, but also the world with many of these tests. And as we do these tests and we start going to high cavitation, automation is also a big key to this because we have to be able to do things fast and efficiently.
Whether it's low volume or high volume, sometimes companies need more than just simple manufacturing. They need a simplified supply chain that simplifies costs. Contract manufacturers can fill, seal, package, coat, and whatever else is needed for a device's application.
So we have a client that is in the assisted reproductive space, and they came to us with a device that needed to be not only injection molded, but also assembled in a very specific way. So what we did was we created a custom assembly process using equipment that is both customized and home built, and some off-the-shelf equipment. And we build a device here at Natech from the ground up, and that device helps people conceive babies.
Working in manufacturing means you get to tackle challenges and contribute to solutions that make a difference in people's lives. So, are you ready to bring your ideas to life?